Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. Guys, this is the last uh, video for this season, I hope. So week 8 programming assignment. So guys, I will show you the code now. So you can take a screenshot of that. So this is the code guys, you can take a screenshot. So this is the code. So you can ignore this. This is just a comment. So this is the final code guys. So do follow the indentation rules. So you can take a screenshot of this or you can pause the video and note it. So now I am going to copy this. So hope you have noted it down guys. Each and every character is important here. Do follow the indentation as well. Now let's see this whether it executes or not. So I'm pasting the code here. So it is not we are unable to see that whole code in a single frame. That's why I have pasted showing you that in the notepad. So hope you have noted it down. So now click on the compile and run button. So now let's see this. So here you can see all the three public test cases are passed. Now let's click on submit button for checking private test cases as well. So guys, now here you can see, so out of 12 test cases, 2 are showing time limit exceeded. So it means it may have taken more time to get the test case passed, but all the test cases are passed guys. So this depends on whether the algorithm, if it take it if it execute it fast or not. So that completely depends on the compiler. So we cannot we can do nothing about this. But out of 12 test cases, 10 are passed, and I hope these two are also passed. This is not an error actually, just it took more time to execute the code, that's it. So we don't know whether they will take this into consideration or not, but all these are passed only. All the test cases are passed, but these two test cases took more time to execute, I think. So that's the meaning of this. These may interchange as well. Sometimes the first one will show passed and somewhere it will show the time limit exceeded, so don't worry about that. And these two test cases, even if they are not considered, you won't get much loss for that, because the remaining test cases contribution will be high compared to these two, right? So that's it guys. So hope you have noted it down. So guys, if you got benefited through our channel, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to support us like this forever guys. So that's it guys for this video and for this season hopefully. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you, and all the best for your final exam guys. So do well. So that's it guys, goodbye.